Hello kids, let's learn to 2D shapes drawing and color fill. First color name kids, brown color, orange color, sky blue color, red color, light green color, yellow color, blue color, pink color and light pink color. Kids, shapes drawing green color. Kids, green color, cloud, cross, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, color fill, green color, cloud, red color, cross, blue color, moon, brown color, rhombus, purple color, heart, purple color, heart, pink color, pentagon. Kids, cloud, cross, moon, rhombus, heart, pentagon. Kids, this video like, my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.